If you want to be successful in any career, if you want to succeed in any business and job, you need one thing, that is patience.
Yeah.
Without keeping patience, you cannot be successful in any career, either it is job or business. It is right or wrong?
It is right.
Okay, so you have come here for a long time. Maybe you are hungry and tired, but you are trying. And even though we are making another video also.
Yeah.
Okay, so what's your future plan?
My future plan is to be an architect.
Architect?
Yeah.
So you'll make buildings and design?
Yeah.
And will you allow me to live there?
Yeah, of course.
Your parents have to pay or not?
You
No need to pay.
No.
Okay. My daughter will make a big house for her parents, and parents can live.
For you one and my mother one.
So she is making two, apartments, for one for father and for mom. So father and mom will live in different, building, not in the same building.
No,
They will have two buildings, but they will live in the same building. And you will live another building, or you will live with us?
with you guys.
Really? You guys? Okay. So dear viewers, have a nice time for watching this video. I hope that you are getting other videos in next time. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Say bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye.